The CD-7/CD-7L color digital displays feature a super bright, high contrast, sunlight readable display and include an integrated glare diffuser and shade hood so that they are readable in even the brightest daylight conditions. They are designed to accept channels from CAN bus connections and do not include analog inputs. 2 CAN bus channels are included so that it can receive and collect data from AENet-enabled devices such as the Infinity ECU, Series 2 EMS or EMS4, and third-party devices including PDMs, CAN sensor modules and programmable engine management systems. Full color 7 screen with 800x480 resolution 1000 CD/M2 brightness and anti-glare filter for readability in all conditions including direct sunlight. IP66 water resistance allows for operation in boats and motorcycles without worry. Accepts channels from 2 separate user programmable CAN bus connections. Works with AENet enabled devices and third-party devices side by side. Available with or without 200 MB internal logging, up to 100 Hz/channel, 7 programmable pages including 4 main pages, alarm, on change and start up pages. Dedicated alarm page quickly identifies problems, user defined, free design graphics editor software. 7 LED RPM/shift light indicators on top of the housing, programmable and dimmable, 2 programmable LEDs.